Yes, I am using my smartphone to shoot this video. Why? To show you that you have in your hands all you need to make great videos and have a successful YouTube channel. And this is something I have done. I've achieved over 100,000 subscribers using just my smartphone. And you may ask, but how do I start, Dr. Malik? Well, the Channel Challenge, 7-day online program where I give you simple tasks every day, and I'll show you how to do this simple task that might take you just few hours to do, and I'll insist that you do these tasks. And after 7 days, you will have a well-optimized, fully customized, money-ready YouTube channel. Yes. And this is the best way to start your YouTube channel or to relaunch your already existing YouTube channel. And we have amazing bonuses. We'll teach you how to make professional videos and design magnetic thumbnails, and we'll show you 2 beginner-friendly ways for you to start making money from your YouTube channel even with 0 subscribers. And we have thousands of happy students and clients. So click on the link on this video or somewhere around this video to join our next channel challenge so you can enjoy our deeply discounted offer and amazing bonuses. Click on the link to join us, and I will see you in class. Cheers.